Hi guys, thanks for watching another video at iLucato Sharing Knowledge channel. Today I'm going to talk about a problem that can happen with your Trevalla screwdriver and similar brands. Sometimes you can get the bit may stuck and you can't get it out. So, I'll show you here. When you pull the trigger, you get to spin it, and apparently you think that everything is okay, but when you try to hold it, it's stuck. When you release it, it gets to spin, but you think, damn, what's going on? So when you are going to screw something, it has no force. PT doesn't spin, it's all loose, right? Then you say, I've broken my screwdriver. Relax, it's very simple to fix. How are you going to do it? It is easy. Sometimes you might haven't noticed that the selector got stuck in the middle of its way here. Okay, so here you have two position options, position 1 or 2. If this key got in the middle position, that is why it is happening. So, you need to make sure that this key went to all way to front, position 1, or all way back, position 2. Check this out, now it works, now you get to release the bit. And here you put the bit back. That is all, easy fix. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, also click on thanks button below, and contribute with $2 and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.